I'm feeling high.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for the engagement in my last video, and welcome to my new suppies. Thank you for joining the family. So yeah, today we're having a lookbook, so let's get into it. This jersey, I love it. I love it. Got it from Ackerman's, and the jeans are from a Chinese store for like 70 pula. Boots are from CB stores. So yeah, I love this jersey because I love the detailing on it, the crisscross at the back, and yeah, the particular bag is small, it's cute, the detailing is so subtle. It's guys, it matches almost everything. It's from Legit. I got it for 200 pula. So yeah, I love fashion. I really love fashion. I love clothes. So yeah, and I buy my stuff from everywhere. Like I don't even think I have like particular stores that I go to. I buy my stuff everywhere. So yeah, the crisscross I was talking about. See how cute that is. I love it. Jeans, like I said, from a Chinese store. They look absolutely stunning. I got them 2 years ago, I think, and they still look really nice. So yeah. My second look is these sneakers I got from Miss Yama Fashion. I just changed the top and the shoes. The jean is still the same. This particular jersey I got, it's like a neat wear. I got it from, okay, it was a gift. I don't know where it's from, but I got it from like the UK. Like the person that gifted me this jersey went to the UK and bought it for me. So yeah, I really love it. She knows me really well, that I like things that have little detailing on it, something revealing. Don't mind my face, guys. Winter is doing the most to my face. So yeah. Wow. Yeah. This bag is from, it's a David Jones backpack. I got it from Kato Cecil. I'll link the stuff that details below. So yeah, I think it looks really cute. These jeans, guys, the jeans, the detail, the color, the way they hold my body. Ooh, the boots. The boots, darling, the boots. I love these. Like, they're a game changer. Seriously. Yeah, I got the boots from the Fix. The jean is from Ackerman's. I think it's a Tango. Yeah, I love how it holds my body. Really love it. The turtleneck is from more or less, it's a store in BBS. I think I got it for like 40 pula. Yeah, I love fashion, but your girl does not have money to be buying expensive things. So I styled this particular look with a cute little bag I got from Oriental Plaza. I believe it was 50 pula. Yeah, 50 pula. It looks really cute. It's so small. It's the detailing. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I think it's my go-to, like a little bag. Love it. It reminds me of Aldo bags. So yeah, I had to get it. So yeah, I love this outfit. Love it. And then I tried to switch it up a little bit. I just added a bomber jacket and boots. I believe these are called cargo boots, I think. So yeah, I added that and shades to add that touch. I mean, hello. So the jacket was 100 pula from a Chinese store in G West, and the boots were from Legit as well. Really loved them. I didn't have anything like this, so I'm like, oh girl, time to change some things. This is the jacket. It's military in color. Love it. Literally felt like money while wearing this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to wear this going out sometime this winter. I love it. Look like money, smell like money. Flip it, girl. Hello. So the jersey is from Ackerman's. Got it as well. It's cute. It's really really cute. I love the color. And yeah, it's something simple, something cute. We're not sweating. Probably going for like a mall run or to class. You know, something. Yeah, chilled vibes. The shoes are from Nike. They're actually my mom's. I believe she got it. She got them from JB Sports or Total Sports, somewhere around there. So yeah, we both wear size 5. So what's hers is mine. What's mine is hers. So yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, the jersey is from Ackerman's, like I already mentioned. That's cute. Really cute. Listen, ooh, girl, these shoes, I know these shoes, guys. Wow, wow. Can you see that? Can you? You won't believe how much I got these. They are from Forever 21. I think they were 38 pounds at the original store, I guess. But I got them from a particular store called Body Wrap by Station, Shoprite side. I got them for 110 pula, believe it or not. I love the detailing on them, guys. Oh, darling, the bedazzle. I love it. I love, 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 love these boots. I didn't wear them until I shot this. I love them. The bodysuit is from the Fix. Like I said, I love something revealing. So the back, the side boob, it does it for me. You know, I literally wear this, I think, in summer as well, or spring, something. So yeah, since it's winter, I added a blazer, a black blazer. I got this from my mom. She got it in True Words. I believe she's had it for a while. Bag is from David Jones. Scotto Cecil. Like I said, I'll link that things below. So yeah, throw in a pair of shades, some red lippy, and you're good to go, darling. Ooh, I look like money. Hello. Hello, hello. This look is so clean. Love it. I absolutely love it. So yeah. Ooh, these heels though, these rose gold heels are everything, guys. Everything. Absolutely love them. They're so uncomfortable to wear though, but we move. I paired the same jersey. I wore my first outfit from Ackerman's, like I said, the crisscross jersey, and the white jeans from jeggings from Woolies, and an Aldo bag. Absolutely love this bag. Yeah, the heels are from Legit, if I haven't mentioned that. I got them a couple of years ago. I believe they were 300 pula. So yeah, love, love, love this. Love this bag as well. So cute, so portable. I love it. Yeah. Listen here. This blazer, guys. I love the color. I love everything about it. I don't like the material though. It's not like an actual blazer, but I really really love the length of this. I love how it covers my ass as well. I love it. I got this from more or less in BBS. I believe it was around 60 pula, and that little hat as well. Love it. I love this outfit. I didn't put anything under. the blazer could work around lunch time, or you could add a top underneath or bodysuit or something for extra warmth since it's winter. But I definitely rock this in summer or spring as well. My next outfit is these boots. I think it's military and white. Yeah, something I'd do over brunch with the girls. Some chilled vibes, nothing hectic. It's the bomber jacket from the GUS Chinese stores, like I said. Throw in a little watch, and yeah, that bag Riley got as a gift. Yeah, it's actually Riley's bag. So I just took it because it looks cute. I didn't think I needed like a big bag or even like a small tiny handbag, the ones I usually get. I don't think it would go well with this particular outfit, so I just took Riley's for ambiance, okay? Okay. So yeah, the heels are from Options. I got them a couple of years ago, but I still use them. They're so cute. Little sock heels. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about them is how they have like a pip toe thing. Because in winter it's really, really cold and your feet will freeze. But anyway, I like them. Wink, wink. Anyway, moving on. I love this crop jersey. You will not believe. This is also a Forever 21 piece, but I got it from Body Wrap along with those bedazzle boots I talked about. This one I got it for 45 bula. The cargo pants, I got them from More or Less. They were actually 60 bula. They are a MrPrice brand. They have a MrPrice tag. But I got them from Wallace. I believe it's one of those things that they have like a tiny little error, so they rejected, I guess. But anyway, I got them there and I paired them with the boots from the Fix, the ones that I wore earlier with the red, white, and blue, I think. Yeah, with the lines there. It really, really makes it cute. It stands out. I love, love, love this outfit. I love it. Oof, girl. If it's really cold, you could throw in a blazer on top. So yeah, still in that crap jersey from Forever 21. Paired this with a skirt from, I think it's legit. I think it's from Legit. Yeah, from Legit. And a David Jones, a little nude bag. It's cute with these sock heels. I think they were inspired by Yeezy. I got them from Ms. Yama Fashion. So yeah, I love them, but the only problem is the pip toe, like I said, and the other military ones. But I love them nonetheless. We'll make it work. So yeah, I love this. Flip your hair, girl. Hi. Love, love, love this. I don't think there's winter without thigh highs, okay? I mean, these are ankle highs. Is it ankle? Knee highs. Oh, these are knee highs. But still, there's no winter without those, okay? Yeah. Girl, a fur coat. What's winter without a fur coat? Nothing. We all need a fur coat in winter, okay? Got this from a Chinese store 2 years ago in railpark for 100 pula. The thigh highs, oh guys, don't mind my kiloid. Thigh highs I got from a friend of mine. She stays in the UK, so she just brought me these. I absolutely love these. I'm getting this with my life. You guys can still see they look new because I'm taking care of them like that. They're suede. I love them. I love how they hold me. I love everything about them. They're quite comfortable though. They're not so high. So yeah, I love, love, love these. That's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment your favorite look down below. I love you. Bye.